The Good Samaritan Clinic provides health care to people who don't have health insurance and can't afford it. They serve Tuscaloosa, Greene, Hale, Bibb, Pickens, Sumter, and Fayette counties. Mary Mitchell is here from the Good Samaritan Clinic to tell us more. Mary, thank you so much for being with us
Thank you
today.
for having me. Glad to be here.
Sure, it's our pleasure. Let's talk a little bit about the work that you guys do over there. It's of all the nonprofits that we have on the show, I just marvel at you guys' ability to do so much with so little.
Thank you. The Good Samaritan provides health care to individuals in our area who do not have any insurance and who are often underemployed or not employed. And we are staffed by volunteer physicians and nurses and other medical professionals that donate their time so that we can treat the patients.
Now, you volunteer. Tell us a little bit about what you get to do over at GSC.
Actually, we do a little bit of everything. My main job is as volunteer coordinator, just to get people to volunteer at the clinic. And we are very fortunate that there are a lot of people in our community who want to donate their time to us. When I'm not volunteering or helping with the volunteers, the other things we do is take out the trash. We do a little bit of everything. It's just, it's a fun place to be. It's by the end of the day when you leave, you feel like you've done something really wonderful when you're there and you're donating your time to help people who are in need.
So you don't have to be an experienced medical professional to call you guys up and say, hey, I would just like to come help some people. There will be stuff for you to do.
Yes, yes. We have a lot of needs at the clinic, and they're not all medical. We have a lot of administrative needs. We have people who help us in our kitchen. We have people who work in our dispensary. We have people who, we have a lot of students that come in and they do things such as clean our exam rooms and assist our doctors, and there's just many, many needs there. At the clinic. So.
Now, you guys are a United Way agency, and
yes,
I know one
are.
of the ways that they help you is they help you with funding to where you can buy drugs. And you
yes.
just, the little bit of money that you guys get,
yeah.
and then how you're able to spend it and what you're able to get for it is just crazy to me.
It is. The United Way does support us, and they support us wonderfully, and without them, I'm not sure what we would do. We are a nonprofit agency, and so that means we don't receive any kind of government funds, and we are supported by the United Way and by individuals and churches, and there's some foundations and corporations in Tuscaloosa that support us. You know, with our doctors and nurses that volunteer their time, we are able to take the contributions that we receive and put it to good use, buying the medication and the medical supplies that we need and other types of resources. So we're very fortunate to have so many people in this area that help us the way that they do, particularly the United Way.
Mary, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
You can find out more about the Good Samaritan Clinic online at gsconline.org or by calling 205-343-2212.